Hello everyone, welcome to another Bybit Next Level keynote. This is the opportunity where we give you update on what have we achieved in the past 6 months and what's to come in the next 6 months as well. My name is Ben, I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bybit. It has always been me doing this for the past 2 years. Super glad to see you guys again. By the way, this time we're going to do things a little bit differently. This is pre-recorded, however, I will be online with you during the live stream to answer any questions. So if you have any questions or you want to ask, do type your questions in YouTube chat box. We'll try to get to all of the questions. A lot had happened in the past 6 months, not only on the exchange side, but overall in the industry, as we see that the industry is becoming stronger and more regulated. Bybit had been quite busy. We have achieved quite a bit in the last 6 months. As you can see, we've gained a few more licenses as we're working also on a few more regulation license on the way. We've got Kazakhstan license as well as Cyprus license. And even on top of that, we're working with Satos, which is a regulated exchange for the Netherlands users. So actually, Bybit is now fully regulated by integrating with Satos, providing the fiat and crypto custody service for our Netherlands users. This is something huge and amazing for all of the good news for all of the Netherlands users. At the same time, we still have the in-principle approval from UAE. However, we've been working very closely with Vera. I think we're going to get the MVP very soon. On top of that, Bybit has launched the Hong Kong side as well as our Kazakhstan side. For Hong Kong, we are preparing for the license application, and also we are in process with Singapore MAS and applying for the crypto license in Singapore. So today's key topic is Ascend with the Crypto Arc. Here at Bybit, we call ourselves the Crypto Arc. We want to become the gateway to Web3 to any crypto users. We want to become that super app from the moment any user wants to get into or get involved with crypto, from fiat to spot to derivatives, anything all packed into the Bybit super app. So today we're going to go over the orders from crypto newbies to someone who is completely pro with crypto. As a crypto newbie, I think one of the key things for anyone is the ease of use. We want to make Bybit, the mobile app as well as the website, extremely user-friendly and effortless for any new clients to onboard. One of the key features for any new clients to onboard into crypto, or the first thing you need is, of course, fiat to crypto. Whether you're exchanging your US dollar or your euros into crypto or stable coins. One of the flagship products that Bybit currently offer is P2P. Our P2P is becoming extremely popular, and I would say it's probably one of the largest P2P network globally for any crypto exchange. We're currently trusted by more than 28,000 vendors globally, providing daily P2P service for our clients to exchange from more than 570 method to exchange from fiat to crypto as well as from crypto back to fiat. Bybit support more than 50 local currencies. Of course, most people use Euro, USD, but however, if you go onto the Bybit P2P, actually we support a lot more cryptocurrency. We actually support a lot more local currencies on our P2P side. We know that with P2P, fraud has always been an issue. The team has been working dedicatedly, working on anti-fraud method, making sure we proof check all the vendors on their credibilities, on their payment methodologies, to make sure that fraud doesn't happen. This is why we actually manage to keep a 99.9% anti-fraud record. Most of the users using Bybit P2P has not experienced any fraud. On top of that, I want to remind everyone, Bybit P2P even today is still zero fee. This is extremely good news for any of our users, and we'll keep on this zero fee for the foreseeable futures. One of the key functions Bybit offers that no one else offers is hot swap. What hot swap means that if you're a new user and you are coming into crypto, not simply buying the major tokens such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins, but maybe because you got into crypto because you want to buy some Sui or Aptos or any of these hot altcoins or new offerings, Bybit actually support now hot swap, meaning that you can actually directly buy these new tokens using your fiat without worrying about converting or go to the spot market and all that complications. So again, we want to make your life as a newbie into crypto extremely simple and easy by using Bybit. Another huge product Bybit launched 3 months ago is Bybit Card. Now Bybit working with is now fully supported by MasterCard to issue our own version of the debit card. What can you do with the card? With any crypto deposit into your Bybit account, we actually currently support 5 different pairs. That means Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, USDT, and USDC. With these balances in your Bybit account, you can immediately use them as your payable currency on the Bybit card. So I actually have the Bybit card with me. I want to show you guys what the card looks like, the physical card. If we can zoom in a little bit, very good. So this is a super cool card. You can actually use it globally with any vendor that supports MasterCard. I've been using this card relentlessly ever since I got it. Whether you go to a restaurant or shopping or supermarket, it's super easy to use. The underlying fiat this card is conducting is GBP or Euro, so you can choose either way. We currently support Europe regions as we gradually opening up to more regions such as APAC, Latin America, South America. Our debit card supports cash withdrawal as well, and the limit is very big. I think on an annual base, we support up to 250,000 euros where you can spend and withdraw. What's coming, a really super cool feature of the Bybit card is we're going to combine the Bybit savings with Bybit card. So what does it mean? Meaning that if you have a balance with Bybit, you can toss it into the Bybit saving, earn a flexible yield. At the same time, when you spend, we will only take out the amount that you spend out of your balance, out of your savings account, so that you can constantly earn that yield on the go while you have your card to spend. We're also working on Apple Pay and Google Pay. This will be implemented in Q3 2023. So coming up very soon, you'll be able to directly pay with Apple Pay. Let me actually show you how to get the credits from the demo trading account on the Bybit homepage. So right now I have an account already logged into the Bybit homepage. This is just a registered account without KYC, without deposit. So you can already use the demo trading function. Once it's logged in, you go to derivatives, top menu, home bar, go to the very bottom, demo trading, click on demo trading, and you'll be led to the demo trading page. Okay. Here, you'll be prompted to claim the trading credits from the demo account. So once it's claimed, start now, your account will get a little more than 100K in the balance. Okay. So here you can actually start trading using the demo simulation. Here I have a market order. I can place 1 BTC and a long order. Confirm. Here we go. You can see this order has been fulfilled. Okay. So if you look at the chart, this is actually the Bybit live trading chart. Everything is exactly same the real account. You can actually place multiple orders here. Let's see. Place a limit order here, and here we go. It's here, and of course all the functions of Bybit is live. You can keep drag, you can do stop loss, take profit. Everything is the same as the Bybit real account. With any demo account, there is the demo account logo here, and also on the very top left. Once you're ready, you've tried your strategy, you've played around, you're ready to start real trading, you can actually switch to the Bybit live trade here on the top right. So once you click that, you need to make a deposit and start trading on the Bybit real environment. Okay. So I think this is a super cool feature for any new users that's not so confident with your own tradings yet and want to test out your skills, get familiarized with the Bybit interface. The Bybit demo account is perfect for you, okay? All right, let's come back to the slides. So for any new users, not only on fiat, not only on trading account, we have even more tools and whistles ready for you. The next major update I'm going to talk about is the copy trading. Bybit currently has probably one of the world's best copy trading platform for any crypto exchange. We have hundreds of master traders sending daily signals to all the followers, and I believe we have tens and thousands of people following our master trader signals. The average win rate has been improving and now up to 75%. One of the key functions we introduced in the past 6 months was copy trading bonus. So for any users now, you can actually claim a trading bonus from the Rewards Hub and test out copy trading risk-free. Again, this is an amazing tool for any of you that's not so confident with trading yourself, but you can actually go to the Master Traders page and see all the trading strategy analysis, all the chartings of your favorite master traders. You can multiple copy, you can do different type of stop loss, risk management tools we offer to all of our users, okay? Another key features had been updated recently was for master traders. In the past, a lot of master traders had complained that they need to use a different interface to place orders and to release signals. However, we've made this improved. So if you can see now on the screen is the current master trader trading interface, where they have to switch to a copy trading mode, where the trading tools and all the functions are not 100% in sync with the Bybit actual trading interface. However, we've upgraded that, and now actually master traders can use the Bybit main user interface to trade directly and release signals. So if you can see on the top, it says copy trading on, meaning that you have now switched on copy trading and release your signals. All the rest of the trading features is exactly the same as the Bybit main trading interface. So we've just improved this and made life a lot simpler for master traders out there to release signals. On top of that, there's actually even more cooler things happen with copy trading. We are now supporting all the smart tools or third-party trading tools, such as 3Commas and other trading tools, where master traders can directly connect their API and release their automated trading strategies. So here you can see on the top right, next to the master trader name, it says automated trading strategy. Okay, this means this master trader is using an automated service or API to release the tools. This means you can now, as a follower, follow even the hedge fund, the high-frequency trading firms, if they choose to release their signals, and you can follow them as well. Okay, so this is super cool. I think has made this whole copy trading extremely robust. On top of that, we understand that not all crypto lovers knows how to trade. However, you use crypto as a way to increase your overall wealth, gradually generate yield. Bybit savings and lending has just been upgraded. In case you didn't know, Bybit support Ethereum 2.0 staking, where you can actually stake your ETH directly with Bybit to convert to Lido or ST ETH. While earning the daily yield that's being distributed to you on a daily basis, with Bybit latest UTA or Unified Trading Account, you can actually use ST as margin to trade on Bybit directly while earning the yield at the same time. Okay, Bybit savings has also been more robust. We introduced a lot more flexible and fixed term savings, earn up to 10% per year. Liquidity mining is something that a lot of our clients love as well. We provide a direct channel and made life a lot easier for our clients to participate in yield farming, liquidity mining, all of that. And with different tokens supported, the APR can be as high as 19%. Bybit dual asset utilize a option products, offer clients two asset. It is a similar private banking products. However, the yield has been extremely attractive during this current market environment. So do check it out if you don't know about it. One latest feature we launched is lending. If you go to your mobile app, click on your asset and go into your trading account or UTA account. With the lending button, you can actually earn a huge yield on these tokens from a C2C perspective. C2C means clients to clients, because Bybit now supports the unified trading account where customers and institutions can trade borrowing a loan from these tokens. So this is why you can actually offer to lend your token, your asset, on a flexible, demand-based yield. So do check it out on your mobile app. Okay, this is completely risk-free. We make sure that on the other side, the borrowing side, there is always enough collateral to cover the loan. Okay. All right, I think we've talked about quite a bit on the newbies product or product that's more friendly for crypto new users. Now we're moving on to the more robust section, more for the direct crypto traders and more sophisticated users of Bybit. So here, we want to make sure we always provide you the most professional, the most accurate tool and stable tool for you to trade. I want to talk about, again, the unified trading account. The unified trading account is now the flagship product of Bybit. I believe Bybit is one of the only exchange offers that, with the unified trading account, now support 3 different modes. You can actually choose and switch in between isolated margin, cross margin, as well as portfolio margin. Under the unified trading account, or UTA, you can actually trade spot, derivatives, option at the same time. And the profit you made or the floating P&L can be used as margin to trade other product. With this account introduced, we've seen a huge influx of new type of users on Bybit, spread trading, basis trading, where they actually borrow a long amount in the spot account and then to hedge against our derivatives or option. So a lot more possibilities happening with the UTA. You can utilize your margin in an extremely efficient way. On top of the UTA, we've introduced a position builder from our option team. Bybit is still one of the only platform offers a linear USDC-based option, which is portfolio margin with all the rest, the spot derivative product line. This has become extremely attractive for a lot of institutions. And with this position builder, any retail clients can now actually go in and play around. And actually, it's an extremely powerful tool to calculate your risk and also your projected profitability with one button to click and execute your positions in the position builder. So if you don't know about it, do check it out under the Bybit option page. Because we've introduced the UTA account, the demand for loan product has increased a lot. Therefore, we actually have merged all the loan from Bybit, whether it's institution OTC loan, whether it's crypto loan, or the C2C product I just talked about, where users can loan their assets, all merged into one big loaning pool for any UTA account retail user or institutions to borrow and trade. And this has provided a lot more flexibilities for people who knows doing basis trading or spread trading and to earn the yield from funding fees or interests. So this is becoming extremely powerful. And if you don't know about it, do check it out. So we have a whole brochure telling you about this, the borrowing fees, the interest you can earn, and also why you want to borrow to trade on Bybit. This is becoming the latest, hottest products on Bybit. After we talked about all the centralized product, I want to go into the decentralized world of Web3, where Bybit, we want to see ourselves as the crypto arc or the gateway to Web3. We do offer a Web3 wallet and also give clients the capability to explore completely in the Web3 decentralized world. So on Bybit Web3 page, with the Bybit wallet or the Web3 wallet, you can actually participate in many different activities. One of them is IDO, or directly click on DeFi projects. We understand that for many new users, participating in DeFi is extremely complicated. Such as if you want to stake your own Ethereum and enjoy the staking interest from the Shanghai upgrade, it takes so many steps, whether it was MetaMask or all these other wallets. Where on Bybit wallet, it takes one step, one click, where we handle all the rest for you. So if you want to earn a yield directly, you can actually use the Bybit Web3 wallet to participate in all these DeFi projects we support. One of the cool features that's going to come up very soon with the Bybit Web3 is take profit and stop loss. That means you can actually do not need to monitor the screen all day long, but set the take profit and stop loss, and the Bybit Web3 will execute your command whenever one of the condition is met. So this will make life a lot easier for clients out there participating in Web3. One of the hottest products for Web3 is IDO, initial token or initial DEX offering. We actually launched a few projects where we see more than 130 participants using the Bybit Web3 wallet to get a participation right into the IDO and get some tokens. So far, we've seen a lot of growth potentials or profit potentials from these projects. And because it's decentralized, it's completely a DEX. With the DEX wallet, there's no KYC required, and clients have tried that with many different projects. So do check it out if you don't know about it. Go to the Bybit Web3 page and claim, and you can participate in the IDO. All right, so I think we've talked about quite a bit on what we have delivered, what we have built, the cool features, but now we're moving into what's to come, charting into the future, some of the cool new things that Bybit is going to deliver very soon. One of the key things coming up very soon is actually one of the most demanded feature is to support Bybit currency price tracker on the gadgets. So the first gadget we're going to support is Apple Watch. This is coming up very soon, meaning that while you're on the go, doing sports, running, making sure that you can actually monitor the price action of crypto, and you can set your favorite pairs to show, and also to check out the price of these pairs that you choose. Okay, so Apple is the first one we're going to support, but Android is coming out very soon as well. On top of that, for the users that don't like to trade but want to earn a good yield, we are releasing a lot more structured products. A lot of them are working with established third parties to make sure that the client's funds is safe and secure, but at the same time earn a good yield. So Sharkfin, Snowball, Accumulator, Smart Range, all these type of structured product will come up very soon. So stay tuned for that under the Bybit Earn page. One of the cool things we are going to launch at the same time is Bybit Fund Pool, where we're actually going to select a multiple of prestigious fund managers from different firms and combine their strategy and offer a bundled fund pool type of a product for our clients to invest, where we can offer clients a 4 to 10% annual yield from multiple selection of these fund managers, where we're going to show transparency. You're going to see your fund managers. You're going to see where your money is with these different firms, all established and prestigious. So this coming up, I think, very soon, probably Q3 this year, but stay tuned for that. On the Bybit card, we are releasing a VIP card, or the special, very special metal card for our VIP users, where you earn higher rewards points. At the same time, there's a lot more benefits using this card. We're going to gradually release and introduce all these merchants that you love to use: Amazon, Netflix, Google Play, Uber, wherever you get a cashback on these vendors. At the same time, we're going to release co-branded card with our partners such as Frank Muller, and we have some other potential Wednesdays in the talk. So stay tuned for that. Bybit card, we want to make sure that every single Bybit user can be able to enjoy this card, the one I showed you just now. Okay. All right, what's coming up next is the most anticipated event of the year, the WSOT. For those of you who don't know what WSOT is the World Series of Trading that organized by Bybit every year. Typically is the most talked about, the most traded, the biggest prize pool event, trading competition in crypto every single year. So ever since the last WSOT, I think we got more than 20,000 participants participating. A lot of teams and individuals that came to us and asked, when is the 2023? So it's coming up Q3 this year, exact date to be announced, but the prize pool is bigger. We're gonna offer 8 million in total prize pool, at the same time a Lambo and Rolexes. So it's gonna be bigger, grander, and even more people participating this year. This year we've spiced things up a little bit. On top of the squad trading, meaning the competition between teams and the team leaders, we are also going to offer a copy trading feast, meaning that even you can participate in the trading competition using copy trading. So you can compete with other copy trading teams and to see who gets the highest profit during the period. At the same time, we always offer the participation rewards up to $1 million. And for people who refer or invite their friends, the body ready, as well as different prize pools and raffles during the whole process. So this year is going to be extremely big and exciting. Stay tuned for this. We're getting all the major players of crypto participating. And again, it's going to be one of the most talked about trading competition in 2023. Okay? So that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching the keynotes. I hope that you are as excited as I am. A lot more cool product to come. Thank you very much.
Prepare for the world's most epic crypto trading showdown. WSOT is back. The best ever this 2023. Win from a massive prize pool, Rolex watches, drive away in a Lamborghini. Step up to the challenge and compete on the global stage with the world's best. Unleash your potential in the ultimate all-star trading showdown. Join us.